All right, my friend, so your climate control is not working, or maybe it's sporadically working in and out, or it doesn't work at all. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Let's go. All right, so the tools you're gonna need for this job is going to be a 10mm socket. You're gonna need a long extension, a Phillips head screwdriver, some needle nose pliers for those clips that give you trouble, and a plastic pry tool. Last, you'll need your ratchet. This is a battery operated one, speeds things up, but it's optional. And then the last thing you will need is your actual AC control module, which I have there. That's the old one. But I'll leave a link in the description to everything that I use. And if you purchase something, thanks in advance because it helps the channel. Let's go. All right, so the first step, you're gonna need to take off this shroud. Now be very careful because they are brittle and they break easily. Grab yourself a pry tool, preferably plastic, and just go around slowly making your way around. So I'm gonna do that now. Boom, she's out. All right, so for your next step, you're gonna wanna grab a 10mm, an extension, and your ratchet. And we're gonna go ahead and take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm gonna do that, I'll be right back. All right, so once you take off all the 10mm bolts all the way around, you're gonna go ahead and grab it. Be very careful, because like I said, it's brittle. And then you can pull it right out just like that. So you're gonna pull it out just a little bit because in the back there are these two connectors you gotta unplug. So let's do that. So what I do is I lean it on the gear shifter, and if you come back here, there's one connector, two connectors, and then you have the antenna, another connector for the radio, and then one more in this corner right here, right there. So I'm gonna pop all those off and we'll continue. All right, so I disconnected the two top ones, and here you can get a better glimpse of the other one. So there's one there, there's another one there, and then the antennas. So this one just pops straight out like that. Same thing with this one. And then this is a clip that you push in, pop out. Same thing with this one, push up, pop out. So let's do that. All right, so once you disconnect all of that, you have access to the radio and the whole climate control. Usually there are two screws holding it there and then two on the other side, but this one's all taped up because it's broken. So we're just gonna pry this open like that and then pull this out. So both sides pry out, like you have to bend that little metal bracket outwards and the actual radio will come out. So I'm gonna do that. Boom, and just like that, the housing comes off of the radio. So we're gonna use these same brackets to put the new one on, put the screws on, and keep going. So let's go to the next step. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this onto the radio and the holder, but before you do, make sure that this number matches up with your part number, because these are very sensitive and won't all work with every vehicle. So make sure you got the right one, because I'd hate for you to go through all this and it doesn't work. So I'm gonna put this on like this. And then on the side, you can see these little nubs line up in there. And then you put one screw there, same thing on the other side. So I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so once it's snapped into place, that's what it looks like. You see those little nubs? They snap into place on both sides. And now we just need our 4 screws. So let me grab them. We'll be right back. All right, we're gonna grab our handy dandy Phillips and screw everything in. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side. Let's go. All right, she's all secure. And we're gonna go ahead and fit her in, put all our connections on, and I'll show you what that looks like. Let's go. All right, that's what our connections are looking like so far. You can't really get these wrong because they only go one way. That is the radio. Now we're gonna connect the actual climate control, which are right there. So let's do that and get back to you. Once you get everything in, you're gonna go ahead and set it back gently, and it should slide right in. And then you just line up those holes with all the holes around and put your 10mm in. We'll be right back. All right, so once you have all your 10mm in all the way around, you can go ahead and grab your shroud and put that bad boy back on. And all you gotta do is just push it in gently on all 4 sides. So I'm gonna do that and I'll show you what it looks like. Boom. And just like that, you fixed your climate control buttons, and your AC should be working great now. So always remember, if I can fix it, you can fix it.